That looks good.
Yeah. Got all that supply. We got all the supply we need.
Is each one of these is the drone?
Yeah, that's going to be drone gates. I'm going to cut them in half. It's going to be bridges.
Awesome, man.
That's going to be really awesome.
So is this also where they're going to be staging Art Basel?
No, here is only where we're making the drone race.
Okay.
And then obviously the Art Basel is in there, you know, they're building all that stuff. But see, here's the supply. You filming right now?
Yeah,
So,
yeah, I'm filming.
These are the supply. We have power cords, we have, most of it is going to be 140 volt neon ropes. So we have blue, we have green, we have red, we have, so these are double-sided. So it's really, really, really super, super cool. I'll show you real quick what it looks like. So these are double-sided, so you know it's really, really bright. And so we're going to have these basically roped up just like that. And so that's really cool because neon ropes is really what the FPV world is looking for. Usually some people do it with LEDs, but as you can see, like, it's a double-sided rope, so it's really special of a light, and it's really, really powerful.
Yeah, it's very flexible.
And it's extremely flexible, and it's really unbreakable. So yeah, it's a rope that you can literally, you know, shape up and do whatever you want.
It's awesome.
So these are really, really expensive, but for the drone race, I mean, we couldn't do better.
Yeah.
So that's what we did. And so all of these works, of course, are brand new. We bought them especially for the race. So stay tuned on that one.
What else you got?
Well, then of course we have some plastic panels to do, you know, some of the triangle gating and maybe possibly shapes on the ground because they're reflective. And then we have these, which are systems that the ropes will be they're like slit in. So they kind of look like this, where the rope kind of get punched in like that, right? And so that's going to help us to make it straight, because obviously these are perfect size to make a square. So we can have angles here that are 3D printed that I'm going to add, and it's going to create squares that are almost invisible, just no frame, if you will.
Oh, cool.
So that's going to be very cool. And that's it. After that, of course, this whole little thing.
Well, where's the power going to come from?
So the pilots are going to be on stage.
The power.
The power.
Yeah.
As far as
to run all this.
These are 120 volt lines. All of this to make these little things fly about 80 to 100 miles an hour on our 65,000 square foot space. So it's going to be really interesting. And eventually we'll have a winner, which the winner gets a $15,000 painting from Miguel Paredes, also gets a very exquisite gift from a very special tequila brand. I cannot tell you who. The gift will come directly from the owner of the brand. And of course some drone equipment and potentially a cash prize. So, you know, the winner of this race, the Royal Racer 2018 in Wynwood, RC Cola, will be spoken about. We have Channel 10, NBC, Channel 6, Channel 7, and News Times that's going to comment on the winner and the race itself. So come by, enjoy. You'll see pretty much the most amazing Miami drone race ever built, projected on a 60-foot screen display of the concert while Mr. Cedric Gervais is mixing and Lance Bass from InSync is commenting on this wonderful race. So not to be missing.
Awesome.